What we're going to talk about next is slope of our special lines. So our special lines are the vertical lines and horizontal lines. So first I'm going to talk about slope of vertical lines. If we have the vertical line x equals -4 and we are to graph this, that line would look like this. So that is my line. Now, if I were to pick 2 points that go through this line I have drawn in red of x equals -4, and I pick any 2 points, so I'm going to pick this one that's right on the x-axis because that's easy to see. It's the point -4, 0. And let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's pick this point, -4, 4. So I'm just picking any 2 points here to show you how or what slope of a vertical line is. So I picked -4, 0 and -4, 4. Now, using my slope formula to calculate the slope, where I'm looking at my second y value minus my first, my second x value minus my first, you have to choose which point you want to be the first point and which one you want to be the second point. So for me, I am going to say that -4, 0 is my first point. And then I am going to say -4, 4 is going to be my second point. So those are the values I'm going to plug in first for the y2 and the x2. And then what I have highlighted in orange is what I'm going to plug in for y1 and x1. Oops. So I'm going to have 4 minus, because that's my y2 value, 0, divided by my second x value is actually the same as my first. It's -4. So I end up with -4 minus -4 in the denominator. In the numerator, 4 minus 0 is really just 4. -4 minus -4 is 0. Now, we end up with 4 divided by 0, and you can't divide by 0, so this actually ends up being m, which is our slope, equal to something that's undefined. Okay. Because you are not allowed to divide by 0. It's undefined. It does not exist. Now let's take a look at slope of horizontal lines. So slope of horizontal lines, if we have the equation y equals 5 and we graph this, here is my horizontal line. Right here I have it graphed in blue. And we pick any 2 points from this line. So I'm going to pick for my first point, the one that's right on the y-axis. And so that's the point 0, 5. Then I'm going to pick a point that is a little bit further to the right. And this will be the point 5, 5. I'm going to make 0, 5 my first point and 5, 5 my second point. So calculating my slope, subtracting my two y values, 5 minus 5, divided by the difference in my two x values, 0 minus 5, I end up with 0 over negative 5. Well, 0 divided by negative 5 really is just 0. And that's because, also, if you think about this, we're doing rise over run. Well, we're not really rising any. Our rise is 0. This graph, to get from one point to the next, I'm not increasing vertically at all. I'm just going across because it's a horizontal line. And so that means that our slope is 0.